फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं सतीश पंडित एंड वेलकम टू अवर चैनल साइंस के साथ। दोस्तों, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ अवर चैप्टर लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। दोस्तों, आज तक हमने पार्ट 6 नंबर तक कवर किए, जिसमें से हमने सॉल्विंग मेथड फॉर लीनियर इक्वेशंस और साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन पूरा कवर कर चुका है। कुछ एग्जांपल्स हम इस वीडियो में सॉल्व करने वाले, आगे जो बचता है वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ओनली। सो दोस्तों, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि 10th क्लासेस के हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ले रहे, जिसमें से टॉपिक वाइज, चैप्टर वाइज हर एक प्रॉब्लम्स हम डिटेल सॉल्यूशन दे रहे। तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों को, रिलेटिव्स को, जो भी है उनके साथ प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को, चैनल को शेयर करना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि दूसरों की पढ़ाई को डिसमिस ना हो। सो दोस्तों, बने रहे हमारे साथ। डायरेक्टली हम एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर करते हैं। अगर ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो पार्ट नंबर 6 हम पिछला जो है हमारा वो जाकर दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पर डिटेल सॉल्यूशन और 2 प्रॉब्लम्स का दिया गया है। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 हम कंसिडर करें, जो कि प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4 का ही है। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3। सो लुक एट दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन फ्रॉम द साइमल्टेनियस पेयर। दिस इज 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equals to 85. This is the first equation of pair, and second equation is 31 divided by x minus 2 plus 27 divided by y plus 3 is equals to 89. So these are the 2 equations. Now our first step is to give the numbers. So दोस्तों, हमें पहले क्या करना है? नंबर देना है। कुछ आता नहीं आता तो भी क्या नंबर देना है। फर्स्ट नंबर दीजिए। फर्स्ट 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 divided by y plus 3 is equals to 85. This is equation number 1. Now this is equation number 2. So write down here 31 divided by x minus 2 plus 27 divided by y plus 3 is equals to 89. This is equation number 2. Now for the adjustment, we are taking adjustment. Before this we have done. Now so here from equation 1 we can here write down as like this. हमें क्या करना है? थोड़ी सी एडजस्टमेंट करनी, जैसे कि 27 इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 2। यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी बिगड़ता नहीं, थोड़ी सी एडजस्टमेंट है, बस वही की है। क्योंकि 27 इंटू 1 दिस इज 27, सो 27 इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स माइनस 2 दिस इज अ करेक्ट एडजस्टमेंट। नाउ सेम एज लाइक दिस, सो 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to 85. Suppose this is equation number star. We are considering here star equation because it is not important. क्योंकि हम क्या करने वाले, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड यूज करें। दिस इज फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ यूर ओनली, आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए ही। सो नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 वी कैन राइट हियर 1 अपॉन x minus 2 same, and here 27 into here 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to 89. So this is equation number double star. So we can put here 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon x minus 2. This is the same. So we have to some substitution, some put करना है, हमें कुछ तो put करना है, जैसे कि 2 variable other than x and y. We are considering a, b, m, n. Take 2 order pair of any variables. So I am putting here 1 upon, so here put 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to m. Suppose put 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to m, and for the second 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to n. So this is our substitution. Now ट्रांसफर दिस इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ m एंड n. हमें क्या करना है? m एंड n इनके रूप में ये इक्वेशन ट्रांसफर करने, कन्वर्ट करनी। सो राइट डाउन हियर, रिप्लेस दिस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 2 बाय m एंड 1 अपॉन y प्लस 3 बाय n. सो राइट डाउन इक्वेशन वी गेट ऑन पुटिंग दिस इक्वेशंस. सो 27 m plus 31 n is equals to 85. This is equation number 3 suppose. Now from this equation, double star equations, by putting m and m, so write down here 31 m plus 27 n is equals to 89. So this is equation number 4. Now we get equation number 3 and 4. We have to solve this equation 3 and 4. हमें क्या करना है, इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एंड 4 सॉल्व करना है, जो कि हमें m एंड n की वैल्यू मिलेगी. वो वैल्यू पुट अप इस इक्वेशन करने के बाद हमें x एंड y जो हमें रिक्वायर्ड है, जो हमें सॉल्यूशन चाहिए x एंड y ऑर्डर पेयर का. नाउ सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 3 एंड 4. लुक एट this type of equation we have solved in our special case. You can see our video number 3 or 4, you can check it. In addition and subtraction method, we have considered this is special case of linear equations in two variable. So this is special case. Why I am telling this is a special case? Because here coefficient of m and n are interchanging with each other. Because look at this, 27 is a coefficient of m and here 27 is coefficient of n. Again here 31 is coefficient of n, and in equation number 4 31 is a coefficient of m. So this is our interchanging. So we are considering here addition method to solve these equations. Now for this our first step is to add this equation, addition of this 3 and 4. So on adding, our first step is on adding equation number 3 and 4, on adding 3 plus 4 like this. So after adding we get, I am writing here addition, 27m plus 31n is equals to 85, here plus 31m plus 27n is equals to 89. So on addition, here write down, add this 27 plus 31, we get 58m plus here 58n, and here we get 174. So this is our addition. Now look at this, 58, 58 and 174. This is divisible by 58. Now give the simplest form to these equations. So write down here, divide by 58. So we get x, here m plus n is equals to 3. So we get, this is equation number 5. After adding equation number 3 and 4, we get equation number 5. Now we have to subtract this equation, so we get equation number 6. समझ में आ रहा है? ध्यान दीजिए. We have to subtract this equation number 4 from 3. So write down, subtraction 4 minus 3 we get here. So we get equation 3 from 4. So first equation, write down this, 31m plus 27n is equals to 89, and here minus 27m plus 31n is equals to 85. For the subtraction, क्या करते हैं हम subtraction में? साइन चेंज करते हैं ऑफ बॉटम इक्वेशन जो होता है उसका. Here plus minus plus minus plus minus. So write down equation. Here 4m, here minus 4n is equals to 4. So look at this, we have to divide by 4. This is a multiple of 4. So we get, on dividing, divide by 4 to this above equation. So we get equation number 6. So here m minus n is equals to 1. This is our equation number 6. Now we have to solve this equation number 5 and 6. So we get equation and value of m and n. So for this 5 and 6 solving, we use here elimination method, because we can eliminate from 5 and 6 n variable. So we can take here addition of this 5 and 6. Solve this equation number 5 and 6. We get, for this addition we are taking, so add 5 and 6. Add 5 and 6. We get m plus n is equals to 3 and m minus n is equals to 1. So we get, on adding to m, here plus n minus n get cancelled and we get here 4. So m is equals to 2. This is the value of m. Now put this value of m in equation number any 5 or 6. So I am putting here value of m in equation number 5. Put value of m, this is equals to 2 in equation number 5. Put here m plus n is equals to 3, value of m 2 plus n is equals to 3, n is equals to 3 minus 2, n is equals to 1. So we get here value of m and n is equals to 2 and 1. Now solve these equations, solve this m and n for our putting values. What is the put value? We have put there 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to m. So we get but we have 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to m. So put here value of m 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to 2. So cross multiplication, we get here twice x minus 2 is equals to 1. So from this we get twice s is equals to 1 plus 4, this is equals to 5. Now x is equals to 5 by 2. This is our value of x. Now for the value of y, we have put here 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to n. So value of n we have 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to 1. Take reciprocal or cross multiplication, we get here y plus 3 is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1 minus 3, that is equals to y equals to minus 2. So friends, lastly we have get solution of our required solution. So this is a x and this is a y. So write down completely solution or answer. The solution of given equation. The solution of given equation, what is the order here? Here x and y. So x and y is equals to here x 5 by 2 and here y minus 2. This is our last answer. Write down in complete sentence. So again we have considering another example. Next example हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर पहला, जिसमें से 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 upon 4, and another equation 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 upon 8. This is another type of equations. So friends, this is not difficult at all, because this is the only term added in the denominator, and here addition subtraction of plus minus of variable. So this is also very simple examples, but we need to only understand it properly. So चलिए solve करते हैं example. So write down first equation number 1 and 2. We can do it easily. First step. So write down. I am firstly adjusting and then number. So we can write here 1 upon x 3x plus y plus here plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 upon 4. This is equation number 1, and equation number 2 is 1 upon twice 3x plus y minus 1 upon twice 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 upon 8. This is equation number 2. Now look at these equations 1 and 2. We have to put the value of another variable. So put here, put 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to another variable, say m, and another value of this one. So 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. This is our next value. So put this equation, this in 1 and 2. So we get, convert this equation 1 and 2 by replacing this in place of 1 upon 3x plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y is replaced by m and n respectively. So convert this equation 1 and 2. We get equation number 3 and 4. So write down here m plus n is equals to 3 upon 4. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 4 is 1 upon 2 m, because here 2, look at this 2 here as it is, and here 1 upon 3x plus y is m. So 1 upon 2 m minus, similarly 1 upon 2 n is equals to minus 1 upon 8. This is equation number 4. Here is also at the denominator 2 is there, so 2 write down as it is and multiply by n. This is equals to minus 1 upon 8. So we get equation number 3 and 4. Solve this equation number 3 and 4. For this we again require adjustment in equation number 3 and 4. So solve this or simplify this equation number 3 and 4 again, or give the simplest form of equation for the equation 3 and 4. So I have wrote this. So look this equation number 3 and 4 for the converting in standard form. So we are multiply here by 4, multiply equation 3 by 4. So we get, on multiplying equation number 3 by 4 we get, हमको 4 से गुणना है, simple. So 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. This is equation number 5, and for this equation we need to multiply by 8, because LCM of 2 to 8 is 8. So multiply by 8 for the equation number 4. So multiply equation number 4 by 8. We get, on multiplying by 8 we get here again 4m minus 4n is equals to minus 1. This is our equation number 6. Now we have to solve this equation number 5 and 6. Equation number 5 and 6. For this we are use here elimination method, very simple. So add this equation 5 and 6 on addition 5 and 6. 5 and 6 we get here 4m plus 4n is equals to 3, and here 4m minus 4n is equals to minus 1. So we get here, on adding here 4m plus 4m is 8m, and here plus minus get cancels. So we get here 2. So the value of m is equals to 2 upon 8, and this is equals to 1 upon 4. So we get a value of m is equals to 1 upon m. Now put this value m equals to 1 upon 4 in equation number 5 or 6. So I am putting here value in 5. So put value of m, that is equals to 1 upon 4 in equation number 5, suppose equation number 5. So put here 4m plus 4n is equals to 3. Value of m put here, therefore value of m 1 upon 4 is equals to, write down here first, complete step 3, here 4 get cancelled, so 1 plus 4n is equals to 3, 4n is equals to 3 minus 1. So we get here n is equals to here 2 upon here 4. So value of n equals to 1 upon 2. Value of m is 1 upon 4 and value of n equals to 1 upon 2. Now put this value of m and n for first equations that we are put in equations. So we have 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to m, and value of m put here value of m equals to 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to 1 upon 4. So taking reciprocal or divide, multiply, cross product. So we get here 3x plus y is equals to 4. This is equation number 7. 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to n. So value of n is equals to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 1 upon 2. So taking reciprocal or cross product, we get here 3x minus y is equals to 2. Solve this. So equation number 8. Now we have to solve this equation number 7 and 8. For this we are adding these equations, equation number 7 and equation number 8. So add this equation, add 7 and equation 8. We get 3x plus y is equals to 4 and 3x minus y is equals to 2. Adding, so 3x plus 3x, 6x, and plus y and minus y get cancels each other. We get here 6. So from this equation we get x equals to 1. So we have got value of x equals to 1. Now put this value of x in equation any of this. So I am putting this, put value of x, this is equals to 1 in equation number, suppose 7, equation number 7. So put equation number 7, 3x plus y is equals to 4. Put the value of x. So here 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. So we get y equals to 4 minus here 3. 3 into 1 3 and here minus. So we get value of y is also equals to 1. So write down complete solution, complete answer. So here value of y equals to 1. So write down here answer. The solution of given equation. The solution of given equation. First equation, equation number 1 and 2. The solution of given equation, that is order pair x, y, this is equals to 1 and 1. So very simple example number 4 also in practice set 1.4. So practice this. So दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व करने आए होंगे और अच्छे से समझ में आए होंगे। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 and 4 फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.4। दोस्तों लास्ट हमारा प्रैक्टिस सेट बचा है जिसमें से हम कवर करने वाले हैं एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस और लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन 2 वेरिएबल। सो बने रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ, बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड स्टडी वेल। गुड बाय।